Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls for your headphones JBL Tune 510. So, all controls located at the right ear cup. And let's get started with a power button. With this control you can turn on or turn off your headphones by press and hold on it. When your headphones turn off, you can press and hold the power button for at least 6 seconds and you will enter pairing mode. And this LED light near to the power button will flash blue. Next we have volume control button. So this button with a minus is to volume down the music. And we have also to volume up the music with this plus icon. Now let me play some song and I will show it to you. If you press one time on it, you will increase the volume at the volume up button, of course. And as you can see at this widget, I increase the volume. To lower it, use volume down button, would have a minus icon. And as you can see, I just lower the volume. If you press and hold at your volume up button, you will play next track. And if you press and hold at your volume down music, you will play previous track. Here we go. Now, right here we have multifunctional button. If you press one time at the multifunctional button, you will play or pause the song. Just press on it and as you can see, I pause the song, press again and I play a song. Now, if you press 2 times on it, you will call voice assistant. I have iOS, so I will call a Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant, or maybe you set up Gemini, then you will call Gemini. Now, we need to press 2 times. 1, 2. And as you can see, it worked. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!